everyone, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Dave and today we'll be doing the unboxing and an overview of a running shoes from Adidas. So this is one of the best running shoes right now available in India from Adidas. This is the Adidas Switch Forward 2. This is a very nice sole. I will show you in a bit. So let's go ahead and I'll show you around the box. The box is not in a very good condition, so it got damaged in transit. But I got this for around 5,000 rupees. There are other varieties. The Forward 1, you can get this for around 3,000, and there is another version which cost around 1,500, but that does not have the unique sole that this has. So I will show you. So let's first show you. This is ISI certificate is here. Adidas Switch Forward 2M. So the MRP of this is 14,000 almost. Wow. So if you go to the showroom, you will buy this on the MRP, but yeah, I got this on Flipkart. I'll put the link of this below. You can get this for around 5,000 to 6,000 from there. So August 2025, and this is made in India. Okay, and what about this side? Nothing, plain black. All right, let's go. So this is how it looks. I really like this. The way you can see the sole, it's full of holes, and this will actually help you in the running, the bounce that it gives. And the sole, everything is very good quality. The material, I like this color. There are other colorways also, solid grays, blacks, greens, but this is gray with black. I really like this. You can see there is a texture here, Adidas branding here, the logo, and it's really nicely made. I really like the sole, so strong. And this one, the unique thing of this is from Continental. So Continental make professional tires like F1 tires, etc. So the sole of this is made by Continental. So yeah, kudos to Adidas for doing that. And Adidas Switch branding here, another logo here. Okay, this is nice. Adidas Switch, it's written here, and another logo. Lots of logos. Okay, there it is. This is what I was looking for. Yeah, so nice. So I'm looking forward to using this for my running sessions. Let me also show you the other unit of this. Mostly the same, but yeah, this is a little bit unique. Okay, so alright, so that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.